welcome to Currumbin Valley. This place is immaculate. I love it here. Look at the trees. This is crazy. That is Longtan Park right behind me. This is Bain Road. We're about to do Tomewin Mountain Road. It's a real big loop from Currumbin Valley. You sort of back up around towards Broadbeach where we're staying. The car is immaculate. This road looks awesome. It's so chill here. We love it. Let's get another drive in.
This one we're just running the exhaust mic. I think with the intake is a bit like there's too much random engine noise. I don't think it's worth it because I can't separate the audio when I'm doing it now. So we're just going to use the exhaust mic on this one. We do have a media mod on that GoPro now, so you should hopefully be able to hear me a lot better. Road's falling apart. Hopefully the road's not too bad. I haven't really scoped this out too much on Google Maps, so it just looks fun. There's so many really big trees here. So we actually just crossed into New South Wales just then. So we are on this road, Tomewin Mountain Road, is pretty much on the border of New South Wales and Queensland. That's New South Wales, I'm pretty sure. I think we're still in Queensland.
I like this.
The mountains.
Yeah.
I don't even want to drive fast because I'm just too busy looking around. I kind of like that.
So green.
This place is incredible, man. The scenes. with the drone on right now because this is next level.
What a road, can I say? We are here in Numinbah Valley. It's beautiful here. It's quiet, the birds are chirping, I'm loving it. The Evo is ruining the serenity for everybody else, but I don't care because I'm having one of the best days of my entire life. The road between Currumbin and here, Numinbah Valley, was incredible. View over the mountains, then you come down in the valleys in nice winding roads. Absolute banger. Hopefully the footage does us justice. We got some drone shots, we got one drive-by shot. I just wanted to enjoy it. Like that was so insane. The Evo performed, of course, not a problem. It's clean again, thanks to Eric. That was probably, I think that's taking the #1 spot. Waterfall Way, relegated to #2. That was so, if you're ever here, drive this road. Jumps over the border, New South Wales, Queensland. It's beautiful. We've got a 40-minute drive back to Broadbeach now. We're gonna go up to Advancetown. Looks like there's some windy roads up there. We might try and hit a few of those. I'm probably not gonna film with the GoPros because I've done enough of that. This road trip is blowing my mind. This car is incredible. A 20-year-old Mitsubishi, and I'm having the time of my life. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it as much as I'm enjoying myself. Hopefully this is doing it justice. This has truly been a pleasure. I did try a few different things with the mics. I'm still working stuff out. I haven't edited any road trip footage yet, so hopefully we get it worked out. But thank you so much for watching, appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.